Sent me their collagen eye cream. Oh my goodness, Abib is just pampering me. Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to another video from your girl Love Kayla. Guys, today's video is not like my regular video. I have a box here sent to me by Abib. Yes, Abib. Abib is a skincare brand in Korea, and they sent me a mail. That was like 2 weeks ago. They sent me a mail and they told me that they see me more fit to work with them, and they sent me this package to collaborate with me to showcase their products because they feel like I can do it. Yes, I can do it. So they sent me this package and I'm super excited. In fact, I got this package since on Monday, but I've been under the weather, so I could not make this video because initially before the product even arrived, I already have it in my head that I'm going to film this video for you guys. So I could not do that on Monday because I was a bit under the weather, so I could not film the video. So today I'm feeling much better today, so I said let me come here and unbox this package with you guys because I'm super excited. Like you guys have like literally put me on the map. You guys have literally put me on the map. Those of you that like my video, share my video, comment on my video, like you guys, I'm so grateful for you guys. You guys are the reason why I can get to work with all these amazing brands, and thank you so much. And yeah, let's just get right into this and open this. Let's see what's inside because me, I'm excited. I cannot wait to see what's inside, honestly. All right, so yeah, let's go. So okay, you guys, I just open it now. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, what is this? You guys, can you see? Oh my goodness, Abib, you guys are really... Guys, Abib sent me a lot of package. Oh my goodness. I was just expecting one product from them. That's the only thing they told me to campaign for them, just one product. And now I'm getting a whole lot of product from Abib. You guys, these are so much. This is 5 products already, and I still have... You guys, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, Abib sent me their collagen gel max. Oh my goodness, you guys, Abib, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Abib. Like this is just too much for me to handle. Like I'm just having a whole lot of emotions right now. I cannot even control it. Like this is too much for me. Thank you so much, guys. This is just the reason why this whole thing is just blowing my mind. Oh my goodness, they sent me their overnight face mask, and this is collagen eye patch. Oh my god, Abib, like I have a little bit of... Let me move my glass. I have a little bit of dark circles, and I've been thinking of getting eye masks that I can use for my eye, and now Abib sent me this. So this is just too much. Now I'm going to be using this. I don't need to buy another eye mask. I need to just go with this and start using this. Thank you so much, Abib. Thank you so much. And they sent me their hairy sun stick, sunscreen, and they sent me two two of it. They sent me two of it, and they also sent me their collagen eye cream. Oh my goodness, Abib is just pampering me. What do I do to deserve this? Like, I've been talking, like, I've been seeing this eye cream, especially this their eye cream. I've been seeing it with all these influencer on Instagram, and I'm like, I want to try this Abib eye cream, and boom, they gave me the eye cream too. You guys, this is just too much for me. Like, I'm overwhelmed and I don't even know where to start from. Like, thank you so much, Habib. Thank you so much for believing in me, for trusting, like, just see me as someone that can deliver to you, like, can, showcase your brand for you. And guys, I've been doing this content creation. I never had it in mind that I'm going to be working with brands, not to talk of working with foreign brands outside the country. Like, I've never thought of it in my life, and I've just been doing my thing. Like, I just started creating content because it's something that I love doing, is my passion. And God have decided to use the same passion, the works of my hands, to bless me. Like, guys, some of you might see this video and be like, oh, what is this? This is just normal package. Everybody get this package. This is a lot. This is a lot for me. Like, some of you might be like, oh, it's nothing. But to me, this is something, and this is huge. And I'm so humble, and I'm so grateful to God for giving me this opportunity, for making me to work with foreign brands. It's not really easy, guys. Some people are wishing for this, and this is my reality right now. You guys can see, and you guys know that this is not the first time I'm receiving package like this. I'm just super excited, guys. I'm really, really overwhelmed, and I just want to take this medium to, like, encourage anyone that is watching me. You that is watching me, this is a sign. This is a sign for you to phone pick up your phone and start creating that content, because by doing so, you are going to be creating a lot of opportunities for yourself, and brands can reach out to you like this and also want to work with you. So this is a sign for you to pick up that phone. I know a lot of you are, you we all want to create content because we want YouTube to pay us, but I'm here to tell you that YouTube is not the only place, or YouTube is not the only way you can make money. You can just be creating your content normally, even without getting monetized, and you will still make money from this app. And this is just me. This is just me. I'm not yet monetized on YouTube, but you guys, just being on this platform, I have achieved a lot, and I will not lie to you. Honestly, I've achieved a lot just being here, and I'm grateful. So you guys are my fam. I need to come here and showcase these things. I need to come here and unbox it with you guys. So thanks for watching. If you watch up to this extent, you are a real G. You're my G. You're my fan, and I really love you so much. And do it to like this video and share, and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And those of you that always watch my video but you don't want to subscribe, this is your time for you to subscribe. This is the right time for you to subscribe. So please subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.